Hey, I'm William. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the rotate to start switch on a GE dryer. The rotate to start switch, when it's activated, sends the starting voltage to the dryer's motor to begin the drying cycle. You might need to change out this part if it failed testing or has been damaged. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. First, let's get our tools together. Today we'll need a Torx 20 driver and a flathead screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your dryer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off before you work on it. Now let's get started. We're going to start by removing the rotate to start knob. Once we set it to the side, we're going to take our Torx 20 driver and use it to remove the screws at the top of the console. Now we're rotating the top of the console forward. Now we're taking our flathead screwdriver and using it to pull up on the original rotate to start switch locking tab. With that lifted, we can rotate the switch and pull it away from the console. Here's the old rotate to start switch and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can order one at AppliancePartsPros.com. You can set the old switch to the side. Now we need to line the new one up so we can rotate it in and lock it in place. We need to match the switches up and transfer each wire over to the new switch. Once the wires are connected to the new part, we can set it to the side for the moment. All we need to do now is rotate the console back into place and reinstall it with the Torx 20 screws that we removed earlier. And that's all there is to it. Just don't forget to plug your dryer back in or flip that circuit breaker back on. You made it to the end. Awesome work, and thanks for sticking with us. Don't forget to drop a comment below to share how your repair turned out. And if you still need a rotate to start switch, jot down your model number and swing by AppliancePartsPros.com to place your order. You should get your new part in just a few days. While you're here, go ahead and hit the like button on this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got a lot more troubleshooting and repair guides waiting for you, plus all the parts you need to tackle the job yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. We're grateful for your support and can't wait to see you in the next video.